Hello and welcome. And depending on where you are around the world, the holiday season has already started or it's going to start very soon. Wow. So everything the holidays brings up, ooh, yeah, all the excitement, all the concern, all the worry, ooh, everything around family, everything that is, do you choose to release, let go, and or allow all that to be removed from your reality now? Whoa, and there's a lot of resistance on that. And often that's because we have all these preconceived notions, these beliefs about how the holidays, how being around family or not being around family is supposed to be. And when we have all these expectations, and a lot of those have been pushed on us by society, by people around us, or our families. Oh, wow. There's a lot of energy on expectations and beliefs around the holidays that have been pushed upon you by your family. Yeah, so everything that is, everything that comes up around that, do you choose to release, let go, and or allow all that to be removed from your reality now? Yes, I choose that. Release, release, release. Let go, let go, let go. Dissipate, 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 drain, and flush. And I think the thing that to really know is that for so many energetically aware people, the holidays can have a lot of challenges underneath the surface. This is true even if you really enjoy the holidays. All these expectations, all these beliefs can be influencing you, can be messing with your peace and calm. Whoa, do you feel the energy around the holidays messing with your peace and calm? Now, holidays are supposed to be happy times, joyous times, and I wouldn't even say relaxing times, but a lot of the energy around them is not relaxing. Whoa. Yeah. So everywhere that holidays are stressful, they bring up emotions from now and from the past. Whoa, a lot of emotions from the past. Because one of the parts around holidays is there a time when we kind of like tap back into experiences in past holidays. So if you kind of look at the experiences you've had throughout your life, when you have a experience that is similar to ones you've had in the past or the same time of year around a holiday, what can happen is the energies that weren't so good in the past, unresolved trauma, upsets, those sorts of things can also come to the surface. Whoa. Yep. So all the upsets from past holidays, whoa, that are coming up to the surface, that are adding to and messing with you. Do you choose to release, let go, and or allow all that to be removed from your reality now? Yes, I choose that. Release, release, release. And just the being having the awareness around what is going on, that some of these emotions that you're feeling are from the past. Some of these emotions you're feeling are from other people's expectations. Oh, yikes. Do you feel the energy around some of the emotions you're feeling around the holidays or other people's expectations of you? Woo, yeah. So all the other people's expectations of you that you're aligning and agreeing with. So basically, you're subconsciously, not consciously, but subconsciously agreeing that it's okay for them to have those expectations of you. Woo. Do you choose to release and let all that go? Yes, I choose that. Release, release, release. Oh. Yeah, and so it's just to understand that the holidays often bring up lots of these feelings and emotions. And when they come up, you can just ask, how much of this are you currently experiencing? How much of these are energies and emotions from the past? Ooh. And then any of the emotions from the past, just choose to release and let all those go. Oh, that feels a lot more calm. Yeah, and that's just something just to notice. Anytime around the holidays and things come up, is just to tap into and ask how much of this is happening right now, how much of this is from the past. And this can be things that you're picking up from other people around you, around their past. Whoa, and that's even bigger. Wow. Because you, as an energetically aware person, feel and sense those energies. And when someone else is feeling upset or having a lot of emotions come up from the past, you feel that. So, everywhere that you've been feeling and experiencing other people's upsets, other people's challenges, other people's emotions around the holidays, when that's not to your authentic advantage, do you choose to release, let go, and or allow all those to be removed from your reality now? Yes, I choose that. Whoosh, out, whoosh, out, whoosh, out, out, out. Awesome. So I'll probably be doing some more of these little videos around releasing around the holidays, but I did want just to remind you or let you know if this is new to you. If you're watching this video when it's first released, tomorrow I'm hosting a free masterclass which is cleansing karma and unlocking your potential. I'm going to be going deep around what karma is, how it's been, how it was supposed to be, how it is now, which is not necessarily a contribution to you, and then how we can cleanse any karma from past lives, experiences like that. I'm even going to be talking about something I haven't heard anyone else talk about, which is called karma switching. Ugh, yikes. Yeah, that feels really gross because it actually is. This is where your good karma was replaced with somebody else's bad karma. Yeah, and so we're going to be clearing that and plus going pretty deep into all the sorts of things related to karma so you can cleanse out karma, cleanse out any karmic debt, so you can actually have more of the life that you would like. And so there's a link above or below where you can join this free masterclass. And if you're watching this much later than December 2025, do send me an email to see if I can give you special access to this class because it's only going to be available for a week. So if you're watching this video afterwards, I don't want you to miss out. So do send me an email and let me know. So what is everything the holidays brings up? Ugh. What is everything karma and karmic debt brings up? Ugh. Do you choose to release, let go, and or allow all that to be removed from your reality now? Ah, yes, I choose that. Release, release, release. So I'm Max Riggs, Energetic Awareness Explorer and Guide, and I look forward to seeing you tomorrow in the Cleansing Karma and Unlocking Your Potential Masterclass. Bye for now.